Me neither.
And I'm from here.
Me
You
too.
native?
I just got this thing out.
Blew my mind.
Yeah, I told you to
I
look.
was so freaked out. My line was in the water.
Hell.
I still got a fish in the water down there. I gotta
You
go
do?
get. Yeah, I wanted to get this on video. I just pulled the camera out and got it ready for today.
Look at the debris it's throwing around. Those birds. That's right above it. Went right there too. Can you see it? The center of it?
That was amazing.
That's great.
Holy shit, tornado out 11 miles. I've seen everything. Oh, I've seen everything. Shaking so bad, dude. I was like, I didn't know which way to go.
Go.
Did you see it on the water over there where it started? It had a triple coming up. Oh my God, it's amazing.
That's what it was doing in
Sideways hill.
And when we go hide, so our only refuge is shitter.
It was hiding in the shitter. Wow.
Oh man, that's bad. Look at the tornado in the center.
Yeah.
Wow, man, that is awesome.
Are you getting this up here? Where it's starting?
Yeah, I'm trying to follow it up.
Is there smoke in there?
Good boy, bird.
Sorry for yelling at you, dog.
11-mile reservoir, I don't believe it. Look at that.
I thought it was just water spout, and then all of a sudden, holy shit, that's a tornado.
Well, I watched it start on the other side over there, and then it was kicking up. So I said, man, that's pretty cool. And then it was getting bigger and headed this way. I'm like, oh no!
That boy.
Yeah, that's fine.
Unbelievable. An 11-mile reservoir.
Yeah, we're supposed to be clear all weekend.
Yeah. Oh, we got rain and hail and still got a tail.